Did you know that in 1978, a Bulgarian dissident was murdered with a poison pellet fired from an umbrella? Georgy Markov was walking across Waterloo Bridge in London when he felt a sharp sting in his leg. A stranger had bumped into him, muttered an apology, then disappeared into the crowd. Within hours, Markov developed a high fever. 3 days later, he was dead. The autopsy revealed a tiny metal sphere lodged in his thigh, no bigger than a pinhead. It contained ricin, one of the deadliest poisons known to man. The sphere had 4 microscopic holes designed to release the toxin slowly into his bloodstream. British intelligence traced the weapon back to the Bulgarian secret police. They had turned an ordinary umbrella into a silent killing machine. The assassin was never caught. Markov had been marked for death simply for criticizing the communist regime on BBC Radio. His murder proved that during the Cold War, nowhere was safe. Anyone could be a target, and death could come from the most innocent objects.